You have a laptop, you have a phone, but you're not making money on the internet. It is wrong. If you're not making money on the internet and you're not making money while you're watching this, I want to show you a platform that teaches you how to make money. Every Sunday, I teach people how to create wealth on the internet. I teach people how they can start making raw cash, physical money, how they can make money on the internet, how they can even become financially free.
Self-esteem. And there are people who have achieved more success than you,
and all for free. I do this every Sunday, 8 p.m. West African time, live on DABA TV YouTube channel. What should you do right now? Click the link, subscribe to DABA TV YouTube channel, turn on notification, and on Sunday, you will see me teach different things: laws of money, wealth creation, financial freedom, and things that will even inspire you to become successful. I want to see you this Sunday by 8 p.m. Chris Anya right here. God bless you.